Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you a demo on how to run the LERS program using AWS EMR Cluster in Hadoop. So that is the part 2 of exercise number 8. So if you go inside this instructions, you'll be asked to download this zip file which contains all source code, the executable jar file, and the data files. Let's quickly go and extract this. So if you go inside this, you can see that we have the executable jar file, and there are some instructions to how to run the code, which is exactly the same as this one, and you have the data files. So to run your code in the AWS EMR cluster, you actually need to set up an EMR cluster with Hadoop and Spark installed on it. So I have previously put a video on how to set up an EMR cluster with some configuration settings. So I will put that link also in the below link. So you can check that video to set up an EMR cluster, and you have to start your EMR cluster, and you should have your master node running in the PuTTY or in the terminal using the SSH. So I have mentioned everything in that video, so you can, if you check that video, you can easily able to set up a cluster and start your master node. Similarly, you also need a S3 instance, and you have to create a data bucket like this one. My data bucket is 454 data bucket. So you should create one bucket like this, and you have to put all your files and jar file first inside that data bucket and upload. Similarly, we need the executable jar file also, so I'm putting that. Once the upload is done, we can simply go and execute the program. So we can copy the instructions from here. So the first step we need to do is we need to move our jar file from the S3 space to our master node. I think I have already done that. So if I click on ls, I can see the Hadoop LERS.jar in my master node. So if you follow this instructions, so the dot represent the current or the root directory of the master node. So if you follow this command, the jar file will be downloaded and copied to our root directory of the master node. The next step we have to do is to use this command simply, so that it will execute the LERS code using Hadoop. So the command goes like Hadoop jar. Since the jar file is sitting in our root directory, I can simply give it as Hadoop LERS.jar without any directory name, followed by the main class names .main, followed by the data file paths which are in the S3. So S3 : // is 454 data bucket, which is my personal data bucket name, followed by the file names, which will be the same for all files. So the second file is the data file, and the third file is going to be the parameters. Oops. Followed by the output path, which I'm going to give it as Hadoop LERS output. So this will take another 2 minutes to complete its execution. So I'm going to pause this video and I will come back once the execution is over. So now the execution is over. Let's go to the S3 and check what output we got. So you can see we got the Hadoop loads output, and inside that we got some 3 partitions of outputs. So what you can do is you can simply download this directory, convert it into a zip file and upload. Yeah, you can do something like that. If possible, you can try some commands and try to merge those 3 files into a single file. And also you need this command window text to be submitted, so you can copy this entire data and put into a single .txt file and upload to the canvas. So that's it for this video, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.